Hello and welcome back to another episode of Saving for Our Farm. Today I'm going to be reallocating some of the money that I have from finishing up Ren's flipping the bird challenge, and that was $90. Although very apprehensive when doing the birds, when I finally got them done, it was really nice. So thank you, Ren, for making up that challenge. That was fantastic. Okay, so that challenge saved $90 doing that challenge. I'm not putting all of the $90 into my binders, and I'm only putting money into two of the binders. But about $60 is going into these two binders, and then the other 30 I'm going to save for to put into some other savings challenges. So I do have it already sorted. Well, I said that. I know I do. Here we go. So this right here should be $60, and then this should be $30. Let's see what I have here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45, 55, and 60. Okay. So there we go. There is $60 here, and then this is 30 that's left over. Did I count that right? 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. Okay, so I kind of felt like I didn't do that correctly, so that confirms that I did not. Okay, let's move on. I'm too busy chatting. Greenhouse is going to get $25. I'm gonna get my paperweight here, and greenhouse is getting 25. This is coming along nicely, this one here. So, is he getting 25? I think I'm gonna have to come back in here. So, 10, 15, 20, and 5. So now it has, let's see, 300, 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 75, 80. So 380. It's probably going to be a little bit longer before I get this one finished up. What's going on here, Madeline? Let's get this in here. Okay, and then the compost bin is going to be getting $20, 5, 10, 15, and 20. And it currently has 190, so now it has 120, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100, 5, and 10. So let's do this. Sorry, I know this isn't part of the video. So let's take out 120, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. And I'm gonna take this to the bank. So what is this? Compost. And what are we taking? $100. Okay. And so now we have 210 in the compost. This one is almost done, I believe. I think I'm almost done with putting money in this one. I don't think it's gonna be very much longer before it'll be completely funded. Okay, and then the dog is going to be getting $5. And so now it has 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 300. So let's do this. Let's put this here, and then let's get this out. And then we'll do 300 for dog. And 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. Okay. Wait a minute, that's not right. Yes, that is right. Yes, because I took out that 200. Oh my, oh my goodness. Okay, let's do this. Let's take out the dog, and then this is plus 100, so that makes it 300. And we'll put that over there, and that's dry. I thought maybe doing it this way might help me a little bit better anyway. And then vet is getting $10. So that's 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, and also, I don't think I have another. Oh, I do. Nice. So this is going to be going over here. And this is also going to be going over there. And this is going to be 300. And I'll write that down in a second. And that. And that was 100. Nice. Going to the bank. Okay, I think that's it. And then, like I said, the money that there should be $30 here. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. This money is going to be going to some savings challenges that I'm going to be doing. But that's all that I have for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we're going to see you in the next episode of Saving for Our Farm. Have a great day.